2/2 tends to be used in cases where the music has a stronger feeling of 2 than of 4, and where the speed of the quarter notes is fast enough that it's starting to become unreasonable to think of them as being their own beats. For example, in this piece called Three-Voice Chorale, a chorale is a kind of piece whereby most of the musical material consists of harmonies that move on the main beats. In this piece, the speed of the quarter notes based on the tempo marking is getting so fast that it's harder to hear them as the structural pulses in the music. And instead, we're hearing the pulses on the half notes. So if I clap and count, our quarter notes would be here. And while, yes, this could be a fast 4/4, when you hear the piece, I think you'll agree that where the feel of the beat is on the half notes more naturally, giving us a pulse that sounds like this. So slower. Now, this brings us to a super important point about the relationship between the time signature and the tempo marking. The tempo marking of a piece is always referring to the pulse indicated by the time signature. So, if this piece were in 4/4, our tempo marking of moderato would be referring to the quarter note pulse. In this case, we're in 2/2. So, the moderato speed, the tempo marking, is referring to the half note pulse, meaning that it is the half notes that are moving at the moderato speed, not the quarter notes. So, once again, to demo with clapping, if my half notes are at the moderato speed like this, my quarter notes are going to be twice as fast, like this. This may not seem like a very worthwhile point to address, but I see it not infrequently that students mistakenly start using the tempo marking as a speed for the quarter notes, making a piece like this much slower and more appropriately in 4/4. Okay, so watch out for that. Otherwise, this piece features something we really haven't done yet. You can see that we're actually playing 2 notes in the left hand instead of just 1. We still aren't changing position yet, so as we're in C position, the trick here is to kind of pretend like the C, which is always being played on the bottom, in addition to the other moving notes, isn't really a big concern. Just tell yourself that anytime you play any of the other notes, you'll be adding the C on bottom. It is a somewhat different playing technique, though, more of a rising and falling instead of anything with your fingers, and that's what I wanted you to get some practice with. Once again, we have some big repetitions between the first and second systems. Once you get the notes and practice this up a bit, you should get something that sounds about like this. Thanks for watching this lesson from Liberty Park Music. If you enjoyed this lesson and learned something from it, do us a favor, hit that like button. And if you really liked it, share it around. Let your friends and family check it out too. If you want to find more lessons like this or explore other piano-related topics, please come visit us at libertyparkmusic.com. We have full piano courses ranging from beginner to more advanced levels, and everything is online and streaming 24/7 so that you can design your music learning around your schedule and learn in the comfort of your own home from a talented roster of professional teachers and musicians. Come check us out.